In this problem, the students are asked to draw a picture to represent the product of a plus b plus 1 with b plus 1. The product can be represented visually in a similar way to the method students have used to multiply multi-digit whole numbers. Just as multi-digit factors were decomposed by place value, the expressions here can be decomposed into terms. As we can see in this table, the expression a plus b plus 1 is decomposed into 3 terms, each of which represents a row in the table. So we have a plus b plus 1. And in a similar way, the factor b plus 1 is decomposed into 2 terms, each of which represents a column. So here is b plus 1. Terms of the product can be found by multiplying the corresponding row and column values. So for instance, in this cell, we're looking at column B multiplied by row A. So the product would be B times A. Here we have column 1 times row A. So multiplying these two values would give us 1A, or just A. And we can continue in a similar fashion to find the rest of the values for the cells. B times 1 gives us B, or 1B, and 1 times 1 gives us 1. Once the cells are filled, we can combine like terms to find the overall product. So I see here that I have BA, or AB, plus B squared, plus A, or 1A, plus 2B, plus 1, which represents our overall product. Now there are 2 important points that I would point out to students as they use the tabular method to multiply expressions. One is to make sure that they include the signs that immediately precede the terms as they set up the table. As we can see, the plus b and the plus 1 are shown here. That's the only way that we can distinguish the factor a plus b plus 1 from a minus b minus 1, which would give us a different product. The second is to remind students that this table, while very helpful for organizing our terms, is not a literal area model, so the size of each of the cells isn't important, and actually the organization or the order in which they put the factors is not important either. I can illustrate this by showing you how some students may actually write a plus b plus 1 across the top, and then the factor b plus 1 along the right-hand side. And if you look, the corresponding terms end up being the same. We would end up with the product AB, or BA, plus B squared, plus A, plus 2B, plus 1.